Hello, my name is Sahira Hassan and I am a web developer. Today we are going to fix the Eliminator bug which is causing front end and back end both, causing interruption for the user and also for the admin also. So we will have a look how we will fix it. So you have to go to the dashboard, then you have to click on Eliminator. Let's sort it out. Where is the Eliminator? Here. Here you have to go to the tools, then click on the version control. So here you will have to go one roll back. So we will continue with it. So we will roll back to the previous version because the new version is causing a bug. So they are saying that they will upgrade it in the next version. So in the previous version, we will not uh, have any interruption or any error. So here we go. Plugin reactivated. We will go to the plugin page. So here you can see that we are no more facing the issue. Let's have a look on the front end also. So the error is gone. So stay happy and stay blessed. Hope we will meet in the next video.